YouTube, what's happening, man? Back with another food review. Today, man, we back with another food review, guys. We got this Kit Kat, brand new Kit Kat chocolate ice cream. Found this got this at Kroger, man. Forgot how much. I think it was like 3 something. Forgot how much I exactly paid for it, but yeah, man, we got this brand new ice cream from Kit Kat. I'm not really sure how new it is. I don't know if it's exactly brand new. I just know I was able to get it. Finally picked it up. I seen it at the store, but first time she's getting it, but it's what it look like. Kit Kat, like I think like it's Kit Kat ice cream or chocolate ice cream with like Kit Kat pieces in it. So let's see, we're gonna scoop some of this out. Scoop a big old scoop. Look at that. Look how big that is. Look how big that scoop is. Like that. All right. So Kit Kat ice cream. I like the fact that it got like little pieces of Kit Kat in it. It's really good. Good taste. If I rate this Kit Kat ice cream, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Yeah, I guess 9 out of 10. It's pretty good. The taste to it. Anyway, another food review. Another food review, y'all. Next time, guys. Comment, like, subscribe. Keep watching my videos. Next time, peace.